Hi everyone! Today's Shojin Ryori is simmered dried daikon radish and pickles. First of all, prepare. First, lightly wash the dried daikon radish and soak it in double the amount of water for about 3 hours. Second, take out the dried daikon and squeeze it tightly. This reconstituted juice becomes soup stock. Please do not throw it away. Third, divide into 2. Use this half to make pickles. Let's make it together. First, rehydrate with water and squeeze the dried daikon radish. Second, put in a bowl and add soy sauce, sugar, and vinegar. Third, add sesame seeds to your liking, and it's done. Make a simmered radish with the other half of the dried daikon radish. First, cut the carrot into small pieces. Second, cut the deep-fried tofu into small pieces. Third, heat sesame oil in a pan and fry the carrots. Fourth, add dried daikon radish, deep-fried tofu, seasoning, and dried radish soup stock. Fifth, cover with a lid and simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. It's done. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and Shojin Ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。